gasser here at Unique Specialty and Classics, known as the Asphalt Killer, as you can see. 1953 Chevrolet two-door sedan, small block Chevy power, 350 underneath the hood. That does have 2 Holley 4-barrels atop it. 5-speed manual transmission and that iconic gasser look up front here with the aluminum moon tank and that cutout grill to accommodate what's going on up front. Still pictures, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Disc brakes, all 4 corners. New pads in the rear. I believe there's a rocket wheels. Now, as far as the paint, is it perfect? No, there might be a little touch up here or there. Well, there's a little stress area up front with the front tilting hood, but that adds to the nostalgia of this car and kind of the aura, you might say, of that early 50s gasser. I think it's went down the track a few times. As we look up and down the passenger side, I get a kick out of the sticker on the side glass, and that is vinyl, as well as I believe the majority of these. So it could be removed if you wanted, or keep that Asphalt Killer look. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. It does have a remote fob for cutouts, so this vehicle does have electric cutouts on it. We're going to run it both ways so you can hear it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the rear, take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see plenty of still pictures of the trunk. Battery has been relocated to there, actually an Optima battery. There's a battery disconnect as well as fuel cell back there. If you're into gassers, maybe drag cars or just early 50s vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase. Some racing slicks on the rear. Again, polished rear wheels, obviously a lot deeper rim. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. This car will turn some heads, definitely the way it looks and the way it sounds. Has won multiple awards in car shows in the local area. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. I want to get it started up so you can hear it run. Door panels, nice shape. Appears to have newer carpeting, as well as newer vinyl seats free of rips, tears, holes. Aftermarket tack on the dash is working. Technicians noted gauge cluster is working. I did note that the retro sound style radio, I did not get that to power up, just so you're aware of that, but it has been installed. And let's fire this bad boy up. All right, so you can see fuel pressure come up, fuel gauge, temp gauge. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up much. Battery, and that aftermarket tack is working. All right, make sure we're neutral. In 5-speed manual. All right, so that's with the cutouts closed. I have the remote in my hand. And that was with them open. Get an idea of it both ways. Like I said, this one will turn heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. Want to get this hood tilted forward, check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's taking this car for a drive. He's going to take you for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road. All right, let's see what we have up front here. Looks like we have a newer master cylinder. There's those dual Holley 4 barrels, MSD ignition, Offenhauser intake manifold, aluminum radiator. Pretty cool setup. There is a pusher fan up in front of that. Good looking setup. Be a fun one to have at a show. Hood open, showing off that motor. 1953 Gasser, the asphalt killer. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1953 Chevrolet two-door in white. This one done up like an old-style dragster gasser car. Though it looks wild, it is easy to drive. It's a 4-speed, actually a 5-speed on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fast on the shift knob. Let's see if it actually has got all 5 gears. Yep, we got overdrive, so she'll do good on the highway as well. 5-speed manual on the floor. Our speedometer appears to be working well. Oil pressure is about 35 to 40. The fuel tank reading a quarter of a tank. The temperature 190, and the battery's charging over 14. All that on nice looking gauges from Equus or Equus. How do you say it? There's a retro sound style radio in the dash. Comfortable, nice looking vinyl bucket seats in this car. A little bit of vibration from the passenger door, if you can hear that, and it is shut all the way. Taking the roundabout in a second. Car stays nice and flat. Excellent throttle response, lots of fun. It goes through the gears. Nice feeling clutch and gears shifting. We got an aftermarket steering wheel. Just a great fun car to drive. On the hood, the dash, of course, you can see a tachometer as well, working great from auto gauge. Check out all the pictures, see what's custom on this car and what's good underneath, under the hood. All the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.